All right, remember that during the election campaigning that's on, all kind of quotes and claims come in. A big controversy has erupted after former CM Arvind Kejriwal appears to have misquoted from the Ramayana. Kejriwal put forth a quote from the Ramayana, but it appears as a misquote as it appears, and therefore the BJP already jumping in on this. The Bharatiya Janata Party says that this is the Chunavi Hindu. He is even insulting Hinduism now. Aam Aadmi Party's Ram Rajya model is based on lies, says the BJP. BJP's Delhi chief now is on a fast over the AAP's Adhar. Basically, BJP is saying we had to fact check the Chunavi Hindu. So here's what was said by Arvind Kejriwal and why is the BJP going after it.
एक दिन रामचंद्र जी खाने का इंतजाम करने जंगल में गए। माता सीता को अपनी झोपड़ी में छोड़ गए और लक्ष्मण को बोले कि तू सीता मैया की रक्षा करेगा। इतने में रावण आया सोने का हिरण बनके। आया कि नहीं आया? सोने का हिरण बनके आया। सीता मैया लक्ष्मण को बोली मेरे को ये हिरण चाहिए। लक्ष्मण बोला ना मैया, भगवान राम कह के गए हैं कि मेरे को आपकी रक्षा करनी है। उसने बोली नहीं, मैं तेरे को आदेश देती हूं, जाओ और हिरण को पकड़ के लाओ। लक्ष्मण के पास चारा नहीं था, लक्ष्मण चला गया और वो रावण अपना वेश चेंज करके और सीता मैया का हरण करके ले गया।
और रावण को सोने का हिरण बताकर उस सोने के मुंह से जो शीश महल में सोना लगा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल आज तक बाहर नहीं आ रहे हैं। उनकी नानी उनको सुनाती थी कि राम मंदिर नहीं बनना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसी कौन सी रामायण इन्होंने सुनी है जिसमें उन्होंने श्री रामायण की भी गलत व्याख्या की है। ये हमारे सनातन का अपमान है, हमारी आस्थाओं का अपमान है। अब वो तो अधर्मी है, वो तो क्षमा मांगेंगे नहीं, लेकिन प्रभु श्री राम से, प्रभु श्री हनुमान से हमने हाथ जोड़कर क्षमा मांगी है कि ऐसे अधर्मियों को कम से कम माफ करें। लेकिन उनके इस अधर्म के लिए आज मंगलवार का दिन है, हम पूरा दिन उपवास करेंगे।
So this also has led to a political showdown as well. And remember that what Arvind Kejriwal said, just to put it in perspective and why this is being targeted, because remember that Ravan had gone as a sadhu, dressed as one, asking for water and urging that she needs to cross the Lakshman Rekha or that line, and that only then can he take the food from her. And that's when he had led. The reference to was the Marich deer, and that is what his BJP is charging him at now. Amit Bhardwaj is joining me. Amit, but this also has become an election showdown. Why is the BJP, why do they think that this is perhaps something that they really need to go after?
Well, Pooja, this is election season and definitely both the parties will not leave any opportunity to train guns at each other, whether it be the Bharatiya Janata Party or Aam Aadmi Party. So yesterday, Arvind Kejriwal was taking pot shots at the BJP, trying to accuse the BJP of, eyeing the land of the slum dwellers, and that if the BJP comes to power, it will be bulldozing the Joggi Bastis in the national capital. And for that he used this analogy of Sita Haran, in which he misquoted the Ramayana sequence. Instead of Marich, he said that it was Ravan who had taken that swaroop, that he had disguised himself as golden deer. And now the BJP sees an opportunity out here in order to portray Arvind Kejriwal as a Chunavi Hindu, and that is why you have the BJP state president Virendra Sachdeva saying that Arvind Kejriwal is somebody who's Vidharmi, Adharmi, and Virendra Sachdeva is going on fast for the day. Swati Maliwal, the rebel Aam Aadmi Party MP, she's also attacking Arvind Kejriwal. So clearly, the BJP trying to create an opportunity out here in order to portray Arvind Kejriwal as a Chunavi Hindu.
The most surprising bit of it, of course, expectedly the BJP will want to go after him, but it's also Swati Maliwal, who's, as he's saying, as the rebel MP, who she's become, is the one basically also adding on to these charges. Let's listen in again to what did Arvind Kejriwal say, quoting, as he believed was from the Ramayana, but because of the misquoting has become an election showdown.
एक दिन रामचंद्र जी खाने का इंतजाम करने जंगल में गए। माता सीता को अपनी झोपड़ी में छोड़ गए और लक्ष्मण को बोले कि तू सीता मैया की रक्षा करेगा। इतने में रावण आया सोने का हिरण बनके। आया कि नहीं आया? सोने का हिरण बनके आया। सीता मैया लक्ष्मण को बोली मेरे को ये हिरण चाहिए। लक्ष्मण बोला ना मैया, भगवान राम कह के गए हैं कि मेरे को आपकी रक्षा करनी है। उसने बोली नहीं, मैं तेरे को आदेश देती हूं, जाओ और हिरण को पकड़ के लाओ। लक्ष्मण के पास चारा नहीं था, लक्ष्मण चला गया और वो रावण अपना वेश चेंज करके और सीता मैया का हरण करके ले गया।
Right, so this statement, and perhaps remember with just days to go for elections, any statement here or there can actually turn into trouble for any leader and any party. Could other BJP leaders also jump on this, or perhaps these misquotes can be kept aside and focus on the election issues? And what led Arvind Kejriwal to try and quote from the Ramayana and charge at the BJP? Because in many ways it turned out to be a self-goal. The wrong references that he used has led the BJP to say, of course, he didn't know what exactly happened with regard to abduction of Ma Sita because he's a Chunavi Hindu, only speaks about it during elections. We'll wait for a reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party as well on this, because the Bharatiya Janata Party already is even sitting on a fast over this.